Wait, why does my eyes look like that? What am I looking
what is it called? Braids and Beyond to get my hair braided again. Like, I don't know, I already called to book an appointment and my time is kind of bit past, but that is what we'll be doing today. Fingers crossed. I'm wearing this top from Skims, my jeans are from Opoli. I am wearing my Hermes slides and I'm carrying my tote bag and my smaller camera. So that is the look for today. Let's get going. The Hamatan is crazy. Tell me why I didn't think the need to use more like moisturizer, and my hands are kind of looking ashy right now. I have my hand cream with me and this has lots of moisture, so it might fix it, and thankfully I wore a trouser, so that's another case for another day. But I'm currently going to the salon and I'm kind of thinking braiding your hair and getting hungry at the same time, wild. So I might pass by the mart. I might pass by the mart to get me some fruits, pastry. But yeah, that is where we're going. That is where the focus is right now. You guys can see it just soaked my skin like crazy. So let's get going. Should I just keep my natural hair? There's something about my hair. It's the one thing about me that gets compliments like every single time.
If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide.
pick up Mira and then we both go get our massage. And aside that, I need to go get my nails and my toes done because I've been invited for a program tomorrow and it's not good. I'll tell you more about it when I'm getting ready. And yeah, so that's basically what I'll be doing today. The first on my leg to check off is to get a massage. Secondly is going to get my nails and then my toes done because the program is 4 p.m. tomorrow, so I think I have time. And I already ordered for my dress because it came as unplanned, and the dress is an extra small, but I don't know how it's going to fit because I would always have to tailor the waist or something. So they will deliver that later in the evening, so I'm thinking in the morning I will be able to do it before. Yeah, so right now I'll just go and get ready, get my teeth, everything done, and I'll head on to meet Mira. So I'll see you guys.
Hey guys, Karen is my day today. I'm going to get a massage.
Yeah.
You know, the person who I'm soft, it will really suit you, sir. They want the honam to be soft, if that makes sense. But anyway, yeah, we're excited. Hi, sexy mama. Hey guys, Karen literally has the best body I've ever seen in my life.
To go get my feet, as in I had to go get my toes and my nails done after my massage yesterday. I'm supposed to receive my dress. It was supposed to be delivered around 10 and it's 1. The dress is not here. Yeah, so for my nails I got stick on because there was no time for me to do acrylic, which is fine because it's just the program is lasting for a few hours, so for me I would not really mind. So yeah, I'll quickly call the delivery guy to know when he's coming because he told me 10, so I don't know why he's still not here. Then I'll get my makeup done. I don't want to be there early because like, so I've not done anything, I've not eaten, I've not taken my bath whatsoever, so I will just quickly do that, try to call the rider to see if he brings it earlier, and I'll do my makeup and get ready. So that is an update I had to give. My back really hurts and I don't know if it's from the massage. I don't think so because it was really good. So would I do it again? Probably yes. And I have to also book a facial session with them because I've got dark spots that I kind of feel like I've been creating on my own because I can't stop touching my face. So yeah, that's it. I'll check in with the delivery and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I'm done dressing. I'm about leaving. It's already past time, but it's cold. This is my dress. I might not be able to show the full look, but it's basically this dress from House of CB, some simple jewelry, and then black heels from Zara. I might as well put up a picture or something, or head on straight to my Instagram to get to see. See you guys.
Indeed, as I said, representing always a moment of celebration and joy.
So tonight we are celebrating with Moe and Shandor. They have a new pop-up store in Accra. Wait, why does my eyes look like that? What am I looking? Oh, look here! Oh my god!
Program went so well. I got to meet new people, very sweet people, and Lale, she's the sweetest girl. So yeah, I am back home about to take my makeup off, hopefully, because I've got editing to do and to get this vlog ready to be posted. So yeah, we also got beautiful pictures as well, like don't play, okay? So yeah, that's it, and this is where we end the vlog. I'll see you guys in another one.